Well, in true Reddy fashion, we show up and do a little rebuilding on the way to our leadership offsite. I would hope Jesse's about done by now, because he's only been here for like 10 minutes. Should be done, right?
I hope
It's
so.
only a 10-minute job.
Why don't we let Jesse talk us into this?
Yeah.
Are you done yet?
Thanks for joining me. Yeah, that's your guys' job, is to get this guy in here. Get properly spaced up. You're gonna watch this or what? Yep, I'm gonna finish the lower over here.
Boy, another nice heated shop. Again, shameless plug, if you got a heated shop or can find us a heated shop, we will come out and rebuild your drill.
Well, we're just finishing up with Brandon's cart here in Wimbledon. Just a little slight detour before our trip to Devil's Lake. And I'd say it's looking mighty fine.
We've got full stainless steel tube kit, 1 meter housing that's been replaced. This is the fertilizer tank that we replaced, the lower kit. And this is the John Deere Section Command Ready housing, a 2013 model. So we had to add some different brackets here. And then a lower kit on this tank, just to fix that one up from something in the past. Yeah, I think Adam's adding the finishing touches there.
Onward! So it is a balmy, what, minus 20 right now?
It's at least minus 20 right
It's
now.
at least minus 20. So don't be outside without skin covered for very long.
Yes, sir, they're standing with me right now.
Well, we're about to head out on the ice and do a little fishing. We'll meet while we're fishing each day, and we'll come back and connect at night as well. So should be a good time. Enjoy the adventure as we hopefully slay the fish and get something done for strategy and direction for the coming year.
Got the little minnows. Well, this is our ride this morning. Well, here we are. Woo, good morning. Minus 25 degrees.
28 last night.
So cold that the shifter on the Ranger here won't go in the park.
You guys made it. Well, guys, got the first fish out of the hole. It's been a slow morning, but look at this tiny thing. Tiny little walleye.
Will you eat it whole? It's like a sardine.
Yeah. Better get him back in the hole so he lives to be bigger.
Go down, buddy. Bye-bye.
Well, with only catching one fish in about 3 hours that wasn't even big enough to fit in Matt's hand, we're moving on.
We're going to the perch bite.
Onwards and upwards.
At least we caught one though.
At least we caught one. We didn't get skunked.
Right.
Here we go.
We are now in our second location. We've moved to deeper water so we can catch some perch, hopefully.
Chuck, how many are you going to catch today? I mean, in this house.
In this house?
Yeah.
Be lucky to get any.
All right.
That's not the optimism we need. We don't know what we're doing. We're gonna catch a fish though. Jesse just gets back and walks in and gets a fish right out of your hole, right, Chuck?
Right out of my hole.
Wow.
All of a sudden I look at the scanner
man.
and I'm like, what's going on? What'd you
That's
do?
that's a
Look at
nice
all
sized
the
perch.
interference.
What? It's down there, Matt. I don't know.
Oh,
Race it.
Matt.
Ooh, a nice walleye.
Oh, grab it, grab it, grab it,
grab him before he spits. Oh man, that's a pig.
Huge.
That's easily a 5
guys-
pounder.
Holy
cow! Wow! I knew it was big, but I didn't know it was this big.
Huge.
Devil's Lake, North Dakota, guys.
You hooked him on the outside too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at the teeth on that thing.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty wicked.
All right, someone get some pictures.
Oh my goodness.
6.7
pounds. Hold on, let me take a picture of that too. Oh man, that looks huge when you do that.
Yeah, right?
Oh my goodness.
Well, we're wrapping up day one of our fishing here.
Where's my jacket?
We didn't get skunked, but not far off. We did get some quality over quantity here. Matt is
Size.
holding up the
Size.
6.7
Oh,
pound
flip it around. Size does matter.
walleye. And we gotta go check for our, see if our ranger's back. Negatory. Well, it's North Dakota and it snows sideways. For any of you watching down south, it's like, I don't know, 0 degrees right now. It really isn't too bad. Thank you. And we're back.
Well, it is Saturday, day 2 of our 3-day fishing excursion. Not only are we doing fishing, but we're doing strategy, direction for the company. We are getting transferred with a snow bear from our morning fishing spot, which produced nothing, didn't even get a bite, to
Somewhere way out there where it's deeper water.
we also have a blizzard in effect here with the high winds and snow, so that's a good time to be inside. But thankfully, this thing
Is gonna take care of us to get there in the morning.
well, the fishing's gotten really slow, like as in non-existent. So I decided to do something a little crazy. We're either gonna scare away what's down there or bring it in, I guess. You guys think this will work?
It's gotta work.
Seems like almost too much.
I'm gonna even leave the minnow on it for good measure. Smack the bottom. Just smack the bottom. And now we wait.
Story of our day. So what's your most memorable experience about today's fishing?
The Belvita crackers I ate?
Well, we are moving again. We're gonna go after the evening bite. We got a good old ground blizzard going on out here. But look at this ride. There's another one with tracks, so hopefully we're gonna catch some. We got nothing in here. Here goes nothing. Day number 2, almost done.
Hello, North Dakota.
I thought for sure it was off.
Only one so far today.
We'll throw them back. Live another day.
Yep.
Nope, not better. What do you got, Adam?
Probably a perch.
Well, that's a nice perch. Yeah. Nice perch, Adam.
Yeah, hey. And it's not even on the gold ones.
It's coming up. Another nice,
another nice
another
perch.
really nice perch.
Nice.
Nicely done there, Matthew.
He literally just vomited on me. Look at this. He like just coughed that out of his mouth.
All right, well, let's keep catching them.
They're definitely fat. All right, that's number 3. Well, number 4. We threw one back.
Yep.
Not bad.
The bite is on again.
Hopefully.
The bite is on. That's another ready perch catch.
Well, guys, it is the end of our adventure here out at Devil's Lake. We've had a pretty good time. I'd say we've had an awesome time together. The fishing hasn't been awesome, but it was still okay. And that's not the whole point of why we came out here. It's just one of the, I guess, vehicles for us to be able to meet together and be stuck together in a house, which we achieved, as you can tell. Jesse did have to go back after the first day just because he got sick, and he's joining us remotely through the phone. But look at that beautiful sunset. So with that, minus 20 degrees and a nice sunset, let's call it. We're gonna head home.
Later.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's got one. Wow, I don't know how. Okay.
See ya!